The beauty of the product is it doesn't require any maintenance. I've obviously had our storage solutions in my home for 20 years. I haven't done any maintenance at all. I have installed some of our new shelving, but in terms of maintenance, the hooks, the smart wall works just as good as it did 20 years ago. You don't have to paint anything. You don't have to stain anything, not like your deck every year or these sorts of things. It's there, and the beauty of it is it can just change and evolve, but it doesn't require, there's none of our products require any maintenance at all. And importantly, by having us consult at the beginning of the process, we'll make sure that your shelving's at the right height. We'll make sure that your storage solution that we do will stand the test of time and provide great value in terms of functionality and great value in terms of the price valuation of your home for many years to come.